Hello, and welcome back to the GCP-Mindset channel. Today we'll talk about feasibility in clinical research.
Welcome to the GCP-Mindset channel and all topics on clinical research.
Let us dive into the importance of feasibility in clinical research. Clinical research is the cornerstone of modern medicine, translating groundbreaking scientific discoveries into treatments and interventions that can significantly improve patient outcomes. It bridges the gap between laboratory findings and real-world applications, ensuring that medical advancements are both effective and safe. At the core of every successful clinical trial lies a fundamental, yet sometimes overlooked component: feasibility. This essential concept evaluates the practicality and likelihood of conducting a study successfully and ethically, shaping everything from patient recruitment to regulatory compliance. Today, we will explore the multifaceted aspects of feasibility in clinical research, its profound impact on trial outcomes, and best practices to ensure its effective implementation. What do we mean by feasibility in clinical research? Feasibility in clinical research answers the fundamental question: can we practically and ethically conduct this study? It involves a detailed assessment of whether a proposed clinical trial can proceed given the real-world constraints of available resources, ethical considerations, and timelines. Feasibility encompasses two critical dimensions: theoretical feasibility, which examines whether a study is scientifically plausible, and practical feasibility, which evaluates its viability under actual conditions. Key factors influencing feasibility include resource availability, participant accessibility, regulatory compliance, and the ability to safeguard ethical standards. For example, a trial requiring rare equipment or niche expertise must ensure these resources are accessible before initiation. Feasibility is not only a scientific concept, but also a strategic one. It involves interdisciplinary collaboration among clinical researchers, project managers, regulatory experts, and statisticians. By considering these diverse perspectives, feasibility assessments ensure the alignment of scientific ambitions with logistical realities, fostering trials that are both innovative and achievable. Why is feasibility so important in clinical research? Feasibility plays a pivotal role in ensuring that clinical trials are not only scientifically robust, but also practically achievable. It mitigates the risk of wasting valuable resources on studies that may be impractical or unethical. By identifying potential challenges early, feasibility assessments protect both participants and the integrity of the research. For instance, consider a study lacking adequate facilities or trained personnel to monitor participants. Such a study, despite its scientific merits, would fail due to logistical shortcomings. Feasibility ensures a trial's design aligns with real-world conditions, enabling researchers to focus on meaningful and achievable objectives. Moreover, feasibility assessments contribute to ethical accountability. Ensuring that a study can be conducted without unnecessary risks to participants or excessive strain on resources is not only practical, but also a moral imperative. Trials that lack feasibility can inadvertently expose participants to harm or divert resources from more viable research projects, undermining public trust in the research process. What are the types of feasibility assessments? To provide a comprehensive evaluation, feasibility studies can be categorized into 5 primary types. 1. Operational feasibility evaluates whether the trial can be conducted within the existing operational framework, considering logistical factors such as staff, infrastructure, and participant access. 2. Technical feasibility assesses the availability of necessary technology and expertise, ensuring the study's technical requirements can be met. 3. Economic feasibility examines the financial viability of the trial, determining whether the budget aligns with the study's needs. 4. Legal feasibility ensures compliance with all relevant laws and regulations, a crucial step in avoiding legal and ethical pitfalls. 5. Schedule feasibility checks whether the trial's timeline is realistic, considering factors such as recruitment speed and resource availability. Each of these assessments provides unique insights that collectively determine whether a trial is feasible. For example, economic feasibility might uncover hidden costs that jeopardize a trial's budget, while legal feasibility could identify regulatory barriers that necessitate design adjustments. How do we conduct a feasibility study? A feasibility study involves several critical steps designed to identify challenges and opportunities. 1. Identify the problem or opportunity. Define the goals and objectives of the trial. What medical question is the trial aiming to answer, and what are the anticipated outcomes? 2. Describe the project. Outline the proposed design, including methods, scope, and intended outcomes. This step involves creating a roadmap that guides the trial from conception to completion. 3. Evaluate alternatives. Explore alternative strategies to address any identified challenges or gaps. For example, if a particular site lacks the necessary equipment, consider partnering with another facility. 4. Develop a feasibility report. Summarize findings into a report that offers actionable insights for decision-making and trial planning. A well-structured feasibility report serves as a blueprint for the trial, detailing both opportunities and risks. Feasibility studies are iterative processes, often requiring multiple revisions as new information emerges. This adaptability ensures that trials remain aligned with evolving circumstances and priorities. Let us examine the impact of feasibility on trial outcomes. Feasibility influences several critical areas of clinical trials. 1. Patient recruitment. Trials with impractical designs may struggle to attract participants. For example, a diabetes trial requiring daily clinic visits might deter potential participants due to the inconvenience. However, by incorporating remote monitoring tools or reducing visit frequency, recruitment rates can improve significantly. 2. Data collection. Overly complex or burdensome methods can lead to incomplete or low-quality data. Simplifying these processes enhances participant compliance, ensuring more reliable and accurate data. 3. Overall success. Trials with well-considered designs are more likely to stay on schedule, within budget, and meet their objectives. In contrast, studies neglecting feasibility assessments often encounter setbacks, resulting in delays or even failure. Beyond these technical aspects, feasibility assessments foster stakeholder confidence. Sponsors, regulatory authorities, and patient advocacy groups are more likely to support trials with transparent and well-documented feasibility studies, recognizing their commitment to quality and accountability. What are the best practices for effective feasibility assessments? Implementing effective feasibility studies requires a structured and collaborative approach. 1. Define the scope clearly. Establish objectives and parameters for the trial. 2. Leverage technology. Use advanced analytics and digital tools to streamline data collection and interpretation. 3. Engage stakeholders. Collaborate with sponsors, investigators, and regulatory bodies for a holistic evaluation. 4. Adapt and reassess. Continuously evaluate feasibility throughout the trial to address emerging challenges. Best practices also include fostering open communication among stakeholders. Regular updates and transparent reporting ensure that all parties remain informed and aligned, reducing the risk of misunderstandings or delays. Feasibility studies are indispensable for ensuring the success and integrity of clinical trials. By proactively addressing potential issues, these assessments provide a solid foundation for ethical, efficient, and scientifically robust research. They empower researchers to make informed decisions, optimize trial outcomes, and contribute to the broader advancement of medical science. As clinical research continues to evolve, the role of feasibility studies will remain paramount. By prioritizing feasibility, we not only improve the efficiency of clinical trials, but also pave the way for medical innovations that can transform patient care worldwide. In an era where precision and accountability define medical research, feasibility assessments serve as both a compass and a safety net. They guide researchers through the complexities of trial planning, ensuring that every step aligns with the ultimate goal, advancing healthcare for the benefit of all. Thank you for watching our video, and we hope that you found it informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content on clinical research.